Okay, so now we're taking a look at some tricks and some traps of the adverbial clause. And did you notice how his head looks just like a dandelion? All right, so here's the trick or trap number one that you might come across, whether it's on my quiz or on the SAT. The word because is tricky. The word because can start usually an adverb clause, but sometimes it starts a noun clause. We didn't talk about the word because as a possibility, but it is. So remember, noun clauses or nominal clauses don't take commas. So if I said something like, because Guy uses phrases like lights out delicious and off the hook, is no reason to doubt his culinary skills. Well, this is actually a nominal clause. That opening part that I have underlined in black is actually the subject of the verb is. And so for that reason, it doesn't take any commas at all. So just because a sentence starts with the word because, don't get used to the fact that every sentence that starts off with the word because will take a comma. Sometimes it's just a noun clause. So let's use our grammar smarts to figure that out. Second trap. Some subordinating clauses, or some subordinating conjunctions rather, like before, they actually look like prepositions, and they can be. And so a preposition like before, until, after, they're all words which kind of do double duty. Sometimes they're prepositions, sometimes they're subordinating conjunctions. So short prep phrases, as we're going to find, don't take commas, but subordinating conjunctions into an adverb clause do take commas. So we have to make sure we realize we're either working with a clause or we're working with a prep phrase. Let me show you. So if I said, after the egg frittata, Guy looked really queasy because it's well known among his fans that he does not like anything with eggs. Well, in this case, this is just a prepositional phrase, after the egg frittata. There's no verb in that part that I've underlined. So if it was after the egg frittata was eaten, that would be a clause. But this is just a prep phrase. So be careful of those words which kind of do double duty, because sometimes they're just prep phrases. In this case, this takes no commas at all. It's just a prepositional phrase. Third trap. Remember that the word so is a coordinating conjunction. Remember, it's one of our fanboys, but words like so that is a subordinating conjunction. And so that doesn't make a compound sentence, but the word so does. That can be tricky. So let me show you. If I said, Guy Fieri once bit into the spiky side of a pineapple, so he is hands down the coolest dude on the Food Network. Well, this is comma so. This is a compound sentence. It's not a so that, which would be an adverb clause. So that's don't take commas. So's sometimes do. So this is just a compound sentence. All right. So now we have a little better understanding of how we punctuate adverbial clauses. All right. So remember that knowing your grammar is bananas, and bananas is good. We're going to practice now how to diagram them, and then we'll practice putting all these rules to test with some multiple choice questions. Thanks for listening, everybody.